औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे तलबा अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। कल हमने आपकी किताब पॉलिटिकल साइंस से जो हमारा टॉपिक था कन्फ्रंटिंग मार्जिनलाइजेशन, वो हमने इख्तिताम किया। आज मैं उसी चैप्टर के टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चंस लेकर आपके सामने हाजिर हुआ हूँ। पहला जो क्वेश्चन है वो है, लिस्ट टू फंडामेंटल राइट्स इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन दैट Dalits can draw upon to insist that they be treated with dignity and as equals. Read the fundamental rights listed to help you answer this question. इसका जवाब है, The Indian Constitution provides 6 fundamental rights to all citizens equally. The Dalits have a fundamental right to be treated with dignity and equals. पहला है right to equality. The Constitution of India declares all the citizens of India to be equal in the eyes of law and provides equal protection of law within the territory of India. There can be no discrimination between one citizen and another on the basis of religion, caste, color, sex, etc. Article 17 abolishes untouchability and its practice in any form is forbidden. दूसरा है right against exploitation. The Constitution of India recognizes the dignity of the individual and protect him against any form of exploitation either by the state or by privileged classes in the society. दूसरा क्वेश्चन है, read the story on Ratnam as well as the provisions of the 1989 Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Prevention of Atrocities Act. Now, list one reason why you think he used this law to file a complaint. इसका आंसर है, Dalits and other weaker sections of the society were ill-treated and humiliated. Ultimately, the Scheduled Caste and the Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989 was passed. The purpose of this act was to check various sorts of violence against Dalits and to prescribe stringent punishment for those who still violates the law. Ratnam, a member of Dalit community, was asked to perform the ritual, that is washing the feet of all the priests and then bathing in the water used for this. Ratnam refused to perform this ritual. He said he had no faith in this practice. Ratnam's refusal angered the powerful castes in the village. The powerful caste decided to teach Ratnam a lesson. His community was ordered to ostracize him and his family. One night, even his hut was set on fire. However, he and his mother managed to escape. He went to the local police station and filed a case under the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989. The case was also supported by the media. The ritual was called off. तीसरा क्वेश्चन है, why do Adivasis activists including C.K. Janu believe that Adivasis can also use this 1989 act to fight against this position? Is there anything specific in the provisions of the act that allows her to believe this? इसका आंसर है, आदिवासी activist including C.K. Janu rightly believes that Adivasis can also use Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989 to fight against disposition. Adivasis activists refer to it to defend their right to occupy land that was traditionally theirs. Activists have asked that those who have forcibly occupied tribal land should be punished under 1989 Act. According to 1989 Act, land belonging to tribal people cannot be sold or bought by non-tribal people. Moreover, the Constitution guarantees the right of tribal people to repossess their land. According to C.K. Janu and Adivasi activists, governments of various states are also violates of this constitutional rights. चौथा क्वेश्चन है, the poems and the song in this unit allow to you see the range of ways in which individuals and communities express their opinions, their anger, and their sorrow. In class, do the following two exercises. A. Bring to class a poem that discusses a social issue. Share this with your classmates. Work in small groups. इसका जवाब है, do it yourself with the help of your teacher. अच्छा, फिर इसका है ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस हैं इसके. वो क्या है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए मार्जिनल ग्रुप? मुस्लिम, दलित्स, आदिवासीज, ऑल द एबो. इसका सही आंसर है ऑल द एबो. अनटचेबिलिटी इज एबॉलिश्ड अंडर विच आर्टिकल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? ए है इसका आर्टिकल 17, आर्टिकल 15, आर्टिकल 19, आर्टिकल 14. सही जवाब है आर्टिकल 17. Reservation policy is adopted by the government for the benefits of scheduled caste, backward classes, scheduled tribes, all the above. सही जवाब है इसका all the above. Manual Scavengers and Construction of Dry Latrine Prohibition Act was passed in 1989, 1983, 1993, 2003. सही जवाब है इसका 1993. When Safai Karamchari, Andolan and 13 other organizations fixed IPIL in the Supreme Court. 1989, 2002, 2003, 2000. सही जवाब है 2003. What is the literacy rates among the tribal people according to 2001 census? 50%, 40%, 31%, 29.5%. सही जवाब है इसका 29.5%. फिर इसका लास्ट क्वेश्चन है वह फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. Muslims, Adivasis and OBCs are called dash dash groups. dash dash में इसका सही आता है marginal groups. Untouchability is abolished under Act dash dash of the Constitution. यह वो है Act 17 of the Constitution. Manual Scavengers and Construction of Dry Latrines Prohibition Act was passed in dash dash, that is 1993. In dash dash, Safai Karamchari Andolan filed PIL in the Supreme Court, that was in 2003. इसके साथ ही हमारा जो टॉपिक था कन्फ्रंटिंग मार्जिनलाइजेशन ख़त्म हुआ। कल इंशाल्लाह मैं और कोई टॉपिक लेकर आपके सामने हाजिर हो जाऊंगा। तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़। कुछ मिनट